These days, having your own portable inflator isn't just convenient, it's pretty much essential. And the GOOLOO A6 Gear inflator looks to be the most compact and reliable inflator you can get. So let's open up the box and see how it works. Yeah, let's open it up. Here's your manual. Comes with the USB-C cable to charge it and plug it in. Here's the cord to put it to the tire, the inflator tube, and then extra tips as well for whatever you're going to inflate. And then here's the device itself. Super small and compact. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The first thing you'll notice about it is the size. It's small enough to hold in one hand and it fits right in your glove box. But inside is a powerful motor that spins at 21,000 RPM and delivers up to 160 PSI. That's serious power for something this portable. So whether you're topping off before a road trip or dealing with a slow leak, you're not standing around waiting. It's powered by a 7500 mAh battery, which gives you up to 45 minutes of continuous use, which means you can inflate all 4 car tires on a single charge. And it only uses a USB-C cable to recharge it. It also has dedicated modes, and here you can change through the different settings. So there's car, motorcycle, bike, ball, and custom mode, so you can set it yourself. Many different options for you to do. And then you can change the amount that you want if your car has a specific setting. You just choose the mode, set your target PSI, and start inflating. The A6 Gear automatically shuts off the moment it reaches the pressure you selected. And the built-in pressure gauge is accurate within plus or minus 2 PSI, so you're never guessing or overinflating. And it's perfectly inflated. The display is bright and easy to read. And if you ever find yourself dealing with a flat at night, the A6 Gear has a built-in LED flashlight to help you see. And an SOS mode for emergencies. It's one of those features you hope you never need, but you'll be glad that it's there. Safety is also built right into the design, with over-temperature protection, short-circuit protection, and overcurrent protection, so you never have to worry about damages. And so if you want a compact inflator that's powerful, fast, and built for real-world emergencies, then the GOOLOO A6 Gear is a tool you should definitely keep on hand. I definitely recommend you guys check it out, and you can find out more about it in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.